Welcome to the Michi Academy. I am teacher Mariano, and today we're going to learn about the present simple. The present simple is one of the most important tenses in English. We use it to talk about habits, routines, and facts. Let's get started. We use the present simple to talk about habits and routines, like I wake up at 7 o'clock every day, or she reads every night. We also use it for facts and general truths, like the sky is blue. For the affirmative, we need a subject and a verb. In the third person singular, he, she, or it, we need to add an S or an ES at the end of the verb. For example, I watch TV. She plays football. To make the negative, we need a subject, the auxiliary verb do, not, and the verb. For example, I do not like coffee. In the third person singular, we use does instead of do. He does not play tennis. We can also use the short forms. I don't like coffee. He doesn't play tennis. For the interrogative, we need the auxiliary verb do, or does for third person singular, a subject, and the verb. Don't forget that questions in English need a question mark at the end, but not at the beginning. For example, do you like pizza? Does she go to school? Now is your turn to practice. Complete these sentences. He plays basketball every weekend. They do not like vegetables. Does she study English? Great job! Remember to practice regularly to master this tense. Try writing 3 sentences in the present simple and share them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Michi Academy for more lessons. See you soon. Bye.